Hello foodies, today we're making this very delicious chili chicken wonton. So without much further ado, let's get started. First, let's make the sauce. In a bowl, put a handful of chopped green onion, minced garlic, chili flakes and sesame seeds, chili oil, and 2 to 3 tablespoons of rice vinegar, 2 to 3 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 to 3 tablespoons of sesame soy sauce, some sugar, some salt, and then we mix it very well. And we set aside. Next, for the filling, I have here 1000 grams of minced chicken. Put 4 tablespoons of oyster sauce, 3 tablespoons of soy sauce, some chopped green onion, 2 teaspoons of chicken powder, some pepper, sugar, and 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. Next, we add 2 tablespoons of sesame soy sauce, and then we mix it very well and then set aside. Now let's make the dumplings. Ready your wonton wrappers or gyoza wrappers and place a little amount of the filling into the wrapper and then fold the wonton. Next, we boil a pot of water, and then we place the dumplings into the boiling water. And once it floats, let it boil for 2 to 3 minutes more, and then remove from water. And then we pour the sauce over. And we're done. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you on the next. Bye!